Sample runs unkind. It's Texas and Mr. Hayes, and it's the new single from them. It's the record of the week here on Radio 2. And now it's the quiz. And with us first today, it's Nikki Copson from Stockton-on-Tees. Good morning, Nikki.
Good morning, Ken. How are you doing?
I'm very well. Now, how are you?
Oh, I'm very well today, thank you. A bit nervous being on here. Just hope I don't humiliate myself on national radio.
As if anything like that would even be possible. It just cannot happen. Nothing at all. Nikki, tell me a little bit about yourself. Who are the family?
I've got husband Nick. He's sat watching at the moment. And I've got my sons, Christopher, Stephen and Connor. And grandchildren. Yeah, I've got grandchildren.
How many grandchildren do you have?
I've got 3 grandsons and a little granddaughter whose birthday is today, which is also my birthday, so we share the same birthday.
Oh, well, that's lovely, isn't it? And what a birthday treat to be coming on Popmaster for you. Isn't that lovely?
Well, we'll see if it's a treat after the questions.
Yeah, okay. Well, it's a treat for me. Anyway, we'll put that. When you're not sort of busy around the house, what do you like to do? What kind of music do you listen to?
Very eclectic taste. We often go to music festivals, so we like Thomas Lennon, Stereophonics. But I like Thin Lizzy, Lionel Richie, Kenny Rogers, so I'm the Lancashire Hot Pot.
Well,
so yeah, quite live.
Everything you like. Yeah, that's great. And it's the Radio 2 playlist, it sounds as if you like. That's good. Let's do the bonus question, see what we've got there. 60s pop groups or hit duets. 60s pop groups or hit duets.
It's going to have to be hit duets. I'm not good enough in 60s.
Okay, 60s is not your bag, so hit duets is what you're going for. Excellent. Okay, score? What's that going to be, do you reckon?
I'd like to say I'd like to get at least a couple right. So I'm not aiming high. I'm just going to make sure that I get a couple right.
Right, a couple right. Well, we'll see what we can do. Now, just to explain for those who don't catch this very often, it's 3 points for each correct answer, except for the bonus questions when we double up the scores to 6 points. Total of 39 available. Nikki, we wish you the very best of luck. And...
oh, thank you, Ken.
Here they come. Which John Lennon song was covered by...